Hi, I'm Stella V, and today we're making a delicious carrot soup in the Instant Pot in under 10 minutes. We are so fortunate to be here in Nahi, Mexico. Every Wednesday there's a fabulous farmer's market. It's Wednesday and it's market day in Nahi, and I'm so inspired by the fresh fruits and vegetables and the beautiful produce. Just returned from the market in Mexico. Yes, we spend the winter in Mexico. Join us on this wonderful Mexican adventure as we will be introducing at least one video a week, and we really want you to join us. We're starting with the saute button, adding a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. We really need very few simple ingredients to make this delicious soup in minutes. We have carrots, chicken stock. I'm adding some coconut milk for a little twist of flavor, along with ginger, garlic, cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg. And to this, we'll start sauteing our onions. I've got about a cup of onions diced. That's just going to take a few minutes, and once they are translucent, we'll add our garlic and ginger. And while we're waiting for the onions, now's a good time to mince some ginger. I'm using my favorite tool, my Microplane. If you'd like to know more about Microplane, in the description there's a link to Amazon and you can learn all about these wonderful Microplane products. We're ready to add our 2 cloves of minced garlic and our 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. To this we'll add our spices. I have some nutmeg, allspice, and cinnamon. 2 cups of chicken broth, making sure to scrape the bottom so that there isn't anything stuck to the bottom of the pot. This is basically a dump and go recipe, which makes it so easy. We're putting in our carrots now. All we have to do now is put the lid on, make sure it's set to sealing, and hit the cancel button, and we're going to set the pressure cook timer to 8 minutes. We've counted down to 0, and now I'm going to do a quick release by moving the button from sealing to venting. We're ready to add the coconut milk, giving it a stir. I know it doesn't look like soup yet, but we're going to use the immersion blender to make it a beautiful carrot and ginger soup. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can always put it into a regular blender. I find the immersion blenders though are so quick and easy. I've given it a quick taste so that I could adjust the seasoning, and it needs just a touch of salt and a touch of pepper. Delicious, flavorful carrot ginger soup. It is delicious. A hint of ginger, a hint of coconut, some warm spices and the cinnamon and allspice, and a dollop of sour cream for a garnish. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. There's so many more recipes to share. And if you like this recipe, try this one. Come cook with me because I'm Stella V. And if you like what you see, hit subscribe, leave a comment, tell me that you subscribed, and I'll reply.